Net brand Reconstruction plate for 2.7 mm screws straight. These plates are used to fix diaphyses non-comminuted spiral, oblique or transverse, diaphyses wedge, spiral, bending or comminuted, and diaphyses comminuted segmental or complex comminuted, fractures of metacarpals and metatarsals. Specially designed plate can be easily bent as required. All holes of the plate support 2.7 mm cortical screws. These plates are available with number of holes varying from 2 to 24 and are available in stainless steel and titanium. Narang Medical Limited follows international quality standards to offer the best quality product. While manufacturing, every minor technicality is taken into consideration. High technology machines are used for better production and faster deliveries. For more information, you may log on to www.narang.com or www.ortho.in.